Hello, my name is Arta and welcome to my class, How to Teach Maths to Your Kid aged 3 to 7 completely screen-free. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite games for developing logical thinking, categorization, and early maths understanding, all through fun and conversation. It's called the Intersecting Classes game. I like to use simple picture cards or small objects. Whatever you have at home works perfectly fine, even small toys if you have. Here, for example, I have 5 things. I have a butterfly, I have an airplane, I have a ship, I have a crow, and lastly, I have a train. First, I ask the child, can you show me which of these can fly? Usually, they'll point to the butterfly, the crow, and the airplane. I place those on our first class, which I call Can Fly. This helps the child notice one shared feature, flying. Then I ask, now, which ones are used for transport, things that help people travel? They might choose the airplane, the train, and the ship. I place those in a second group, which means means of transport. To place the cards or whatever you're using, you can use 2 ring ropes to create a Venn diagram with this very special place in between. And you will have basically cards placed here, 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 and one card will go in this special place in between. Now comes the exciting part. I ask the kid, is there something that belongs to both groups? Something that can fly and is a means of transport? Usually, after a moment of thinking, they'll say, airplane! And that's the intersection where the two ideas meet. This moment of discovery feels magical to kids. They love finding the one that fits both. So, what looks like a simple game is actually packed with learning. It develops logical thinking because children learn to sort and classify by rules. It builds vocabulary as they talk about what things can do and what they are used for. It strengthens early maths skills, especially the concept of sets and overlapping groups, which are the foundation for later problem solving and data handling. And it encourages flexible thinking, helping them realize that one thing can belong to more than one category, just like in real life. You can play this with so many themes, animals, vehicles, foods and colors, clothes for different weather, or even household objects. Just pick 5 or 6 pictures. Think of 2 simple categories that overlap and let your child explore, sort, and explain their thinking. So, just to get you started, I have prepared other sets of cards. One set contains animals. We have a frog, we have a duck, a cat, a snake, and a fish. And here your classes would be can swim and lives on land with an intersection of duck. And then another one would be a fire, an ice cube, a candle, water, and ice cream. And your classes would be hot and cold. And the intersection here would be water, which can be hot or can be cold. But you can really pick anything that you like. So that's how I teach intersecting classes, which is a beautiful little game that combines logic, language, and creativity completely screen-free. If you enjoy this idea, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more practical, play-based maths activities, and share it with another parent who loves hands-on learning. See you next time and happy learning!